This is 19mm touch button. The yellow cable is anode, the black color is cathode. When the touch button connects the 9V battery, the LED lamp color is blue. When you touch it again, the LED color is changed red color. If you want to use this button control the other equipment indicator light, you will use the red color connects the other red cable, the blue cable connects the black cable. For this situation, the indicator light is not lighting. When you touch the button, the indicator light is lighting.